In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your expected CTR or click-through rate on Google Ads in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or managing ads for a larger company, boosting your CTR can significantly increase your ad performance and ultimately drive more traffic to your website. Today, I'll walk you through a straightforward process to help you enhance this key metric. First, we need to head over to Google Ads. You can do this by opening a web browser and typing in the URL for the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that and then log in using your Google credentials. If you don't have a Google Ads account yet, you might need to sign up to get started. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. Here, you'll see an overview of your ad performance and various navigation options. Our focus today is on your campaigns, so pay attention as we move forward. Simply put, campaigns are the different ad initiatives you're running. Now go ahead and click on the Campaigns tab. This will display a list of your current advertising campaigns and provide a comprehensive view of their performance. Next, within the campaigns menu, select ads to view individual ads across your campaigns. By selecting specific ads, you can closely examine their individual performance metrics and make necessary adjustments. To improve the expected CTR, crafting compelling ads is crucial. Click on Create Ad. This will take you to the ad creation interface where you can start developing new, attention-grabbing content. You'll find various ad options here, but for today, we're focusing on creating a responsive search ad. Click on that. Responsive search ads allow you to enter multiple headlines and descriptions, offering Google the flexibility to test different combinations, ultimately optimizing your ad performance. Once you're in the ad creation mode, focus on crafting an engaging headline. Simply click on the headline section. This will be the primary text that catches your audience's attention, and it's vital to incorporate your main keyword. Including your keyword directly in the headline not only makes your ad more relevant to potential customers' search queries, but also improves your ad's quality score. A better quality score can lead to improved ad positions and ultimately better CTRs. With your keyword strategically placed in an impactful headline, your ad is ready to attract more clicks. Take some time to review your work, ensuring everything aligns with your advertising goals. Improving your CTR isn't just about bringing in more views, but about bringing in the right eyes on your content. By following these steps and continually optimizing and testing your ads, you'll be well on your way to more effective Google advertising. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time with more tips and tricks on enhancing your online marketing efforts.